Wolfgang Confectioners is a co-manufacturer of chocolate confections.
We're in Loganville, Pennsylvania. We have a number of food manufacturers in this region. York County is technically called the snack food capital of the world.
We give companies capacity to make more products. We have customers here from very small all the way to very long established confectioners and snack makers.
We don't develop products. We take the development and we execute fast and on time.
My name is Evan Bates. I'm a business advisor with MANTEC, part of the Pennsylvania Manufacturing Extension Partnership, part of the MEP National Network. Process improvement is really what MANTEC is known for in South Central Pennsylvania.
MANTEC has helped us educate our employees, helping us to build continuous improvement mentality. How do we do better at lean? How do we do better at data collection? How do we do better at processes?
You did some big configuration changes to be able to hit quoted standard rates and then open capacity and continue to allow that customer to grow.
We've had a total of 7 manufacturing lines in this new facility, but to give you an example, in our old facility in North York, we can make a chocolate-covered pretzel at about 200 pounds an hour. When we put the new line in, we can make that same pretzel at 2,000 pounds an hour.
Wolfgang is always thinking forward in terms of what they can do next, constantly adding new clients, adding new and exciting products that you see on the shelves every day.
The only way that you get better at this game is to innovate, do new things, see what's out there. MANTEC is a one-stop shop to make you a better manufacturer.
The whole team has an internal drive to be better, do better, build the business better, and it comes around our mission statement, which is make candy bless lives. There's this really cool blend when a business can come together and say we have to be efficient, effective, but then also we have to have grace and understanding that there's a bigger community and a bigger reason for what we do. And that's when we came up with Be Blessed by Wolfgang, which is our 501c3. We have a focus on Wolfgang employees and spontaneous needs. Car accidents, cancer, COVID, domestic abuse, things that pop up in their lives. We've also done fundraising events. All those proceeds go to the second arm of Be Blessed, which is the local community.
It's helpful for the young people to see a company like Wolfgang who cares about their employees and cares about the community. It inspires them to think about manufacturing as a career path for them.
Comes back to that Be Wolfgang part. Willing, positive, consistent, detailed, humble. You're doing the right things every day to be able to be good for your business, your family, your community. And I think that that's how we'll continue to be successful going forward into the future.